Loving is easy. It used to be so hard to see. Yeah, loving is easy.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a how to make money video. So without further ado, let's get on into the video. First way that you can make money, and this one is super easy, is just go around your house and look for change. This one has helped me so much. I feel like not a lot of people talk about this one. You can get a lot of change and it just adds up. I actually have a jar in my room where I store all the change. In my house there's a lot of change that's just scattered everywhere, and most people don't like their change, so a lot of people will be like, I want to get rid of this change, do you want it? If you just collect it in the long run, you might end up with like 20 bucks or something. Always keep your change. My second tip is to do a little handcrafted business. I know not everyone's like talented in the craft area, but I like making friendship bracelets and I made a good amount of money off selling those. So if you really enjoy doing something and you're good at it, definitely try to make money off of that. My third way to make money, which is probably the easiest other than collecting change, is selling your clothes. A lot of people have old clothes that they can sell, and let me just tell you, your clothes sell really fast if they're like trending clothes. I personally like all my trending clothes right now still fit me, so I am not selling those. So I basically just sell old clothes that aren't the trendiest, so they do sell slower, but I know a lot of people have like really trendy things that either don't fit them anymore or they don't wear it. So definitely sell those because you can make a good amount of money. Some people have like sold 60 things and each item is $50. So the money really does add up, so selling your clothes is definitely an important one. I like using the app Mercari. Poshmark also works. My main apps are Mercari, Poshmark, and Depop. I use those three apps and I sell the same things on there. I use all the platforms. I personally love Mercari the best because I just love the way you can communicate with people. It's less of a social media and more of just a selling app, and Poshmark and Depop are more of that. So my fourth tip is to do like household chores. I know that every family is different and some people get paid for other things and some people don't. Mowing the lawn, those things you can definitely get paid for. I don't think someone should get paid for putting the laundry in the washer. What's another good tip, Dad? Oh, it's another good way to make money.
Massage.
Oh yeah. My fifth tip is a little wacky, but this one has really helped me a lot. Like I make money from this every single day. To massage your family members. I know it sounds weird, but a lot of my family members, they're very stiff and they need massaging. Like I massage my sister like every day and I make a few bucks off of it every single day. If you offer cheap prices compared to the most professional massagers, it'll give them a reason to come to you. So I've massaged my mom, dad, and sister. I made a good amount of money off of massaging my dad and my mom and my sister. So it's not the main way you can make money compared to selling your clothes, but it's a good side way to make money. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and it really helped you, because I know it's hard to make money as a kid when you don't have a job and sometimes it seems like there's not as many opportunities for you. I've tried to include more creative tips. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and share this with a friend that is also struggling with making money. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.